Hello, Amy Sindicic here. Welcome to Idiom of the Day. Today's idiom is to create an even playing field. To create an even playing field is to create a situation of equal opportunities and/or equal treatment. Let me give you some examples of how it's used. Access to information is critical in the digital age. The internet has created an even playing field for everyone. The government passed new regulations to level the playing field and give a fair chance to everyone. To create an even playing field is to create a situation of equal opportunities and/or treatment. Today's idiom is taken from 505 Business Idioms and Phrasal Verbs by Clare Whitmell. The link to Amazon is provided. Please visit me at businessenglish123.com.